Presenting JBL Quantum 100 by Harman. The JBL Quantum 100 headset comes in black, blue and white color variants. The box contains the JBL Quantum 100 headset, a removable mic, a windshield foam for microphone, QSG, warranty card and safety sheet. The headset comes with a lightweight headband and memory foam ear cushions for comfortable longer gaming sessions. This JBL headphone has wired connectivity. This JBL headset comes with 40mm dynamic drivers and lets you hear the tiniest footsteps and loudest explosion with its JBL QuantunSound Signature. This makes every scene epic and every gamer more competitive. The signature audio delivers the most realistic soundscape for a competitive advantage in any battle. This wired headset is compatible with all gaming platforms including PC gaming, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Switch, mobile, Mac and VR. It is also compatible with Windows Sonic Spatial Sound built into Windows 10 PC and Xbox One consoles. The JBL Quantum 100 comes with a detachable voice-focused directional boom mic with mute features for crystal clear communications. The JBL headphone is perfect for gaming. This product comes with standard brand warranty.
Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be explaining the top 5 features of the JBL Quantum 100. To begin with, this thing comes with a detachable microphone. Now this is great because whenever you're not gaming, you can detach the microphone and use this as a normal pair of headphones to just listen to music without the hassle of the microphone hitting you in the face. The microphone is also flexible. The microphone boom is flexible, so you can move and mold it to fit the shape of your face. Also, windsock at the end is a really nice touch in order to avoid any sort of popping noises from creeping into your audio. Second, you have controls on the ear cups themselves along with a handy mute button, which is always a great touch in case you want to rapidly switch between different applications and mute your audio so that nobody else can hear what you're talking to in the privacy of your home. Also, there's a little volume control dial on the top. The third feature is that this thing is compatible with a host of different platforms and they all have something to do with gaming. So you can see that mentioned at the bottom: Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, Mac and VR. So every platform that you can game on is mentioned over here, which is great. Fourth feature is that this thing is certified for Discord as well as several other VoIP software. The entire list can be seen on the back. So we have certification for Skype, Discord and TeamSpeak. Now, these are the popular platforms used by gamers to talk to each other in multiplayer games. And the last feature, also which happens to be quite important, is that this little headphone has a different sound signature, which JBL calls JBL QuantunSound Signature. It's quite different from the other sound signatures of JBL's normal music-oriented headphones, and you can see the difference over here. You can see certain modifications being made that allows gamers to hear every little detail, including footsteps or let's say someone cocking their weapon while they are in your vicinity. It always helps with better immersion as well as better awareness within video games. So those were the top 5 features of the JBL Quantum 100 gaming headphones.